Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to get Happn Premium for free. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're wondering if you can actually get a free subscription here in Happn and how to exactly get one, well, we'll be discussing if it's actually possible. So currently, if you try accessing Happn here, sometimes getting the premium version here can help you a lot. So sometimes it allows you to basically boost your profile or even get what we call the option for you to basically be visible to other people or access certain functionalities like the video chat option here if you want to meet the person first in or digitally before actually meeting in person. So in this case, how do you get one for free? So the first thing that you need to remember here is Happn's Premium here is something exclusive. Now if you want to access those special features, you need to actually get the subscription that they offer, which is Happn Premium. Now, if you're wondering, are there any websites that actually offers it? Are there any like coupon websites out there that gives free subscriptions? Well, the thing with this one is there is no website like that. So if you do see or find any kind of websites that basically ask you to enter your email or your phone number or your card details to get a free Happn Premium subscription, well, there's a big possibility that those websites are actually scam websites. They are just meant to steal your information and sometimes put you in danger. So it is highly suggested or advised here to not provide any information that promises Happn Premium. So currently, as of this moment, there is no free way to get one. But the thing with this one is sometimes Happn would basically give, or sometimes they would slash out their prices. So you may want to check their website or the actual app if they actually lower their prices and maybe get a deal. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.